Yeah, what's up guys? I hope you're well. So this is my laptop Alienware M1507, the one that I use for my calculations. So today we have to go through some tips. I know there is this annoying feature where when you shut down your laptop like that in Windows 11, when you turn the lid open, for example, as you will see, the laptop will turn on, and it's an annoying feature. But for some you might like it. For me, I don't like it. So if you're having problem, this is how you should fix it. So as you will see, my laptop will, as you can see, it's on. So the best thing for you to fix this is to tap F2 and go to the BIOS, Alienware BIOS, and then now once you are in the BIOS, you need to go to the power option like that. Once you are in the at the power option tab, scroll down, so you need to turn this off, this one. So as you can see, you need to power on lid open, you need to put it off like that, and then you must apply the changes. Say okay, and then exit like that. So now with the changes made, I want to shut down and see if we'll still be having the same problems or feature. So the laptop is off, so I put down like that, and then ta-da, fixed. Yeah, so if you like this kind of content, some few tips here and there, please leave a like, consider subscribing. Thank you.